Hello everyone, Sat Shri Akal. So let's talk about a hair mask recipe today. This is a simple recipe with all the ingredients easily available in our kitchens. This hair mask is particularly good for people with dry, rough or curly hair. But if you have oily scalp or thin hair, try to avoid this as it may weigh your hair down. So for this hair mask, we need natural honey, curd, aloe vera gel. The natural one works best, but you can use any brand if you have it handy. And some extra virgin olive oil. If you don't have it, you can use almond oil as well. Mix everything well till it is of a fluid-like consistency. I'll be using a dye brush or a mehndi brush to apply it, but you can use a cotton pad as well. So just apply this hair mask generously from your roots to the tips and then let it sit there for about 1 to 2 hours. Well, after about 2 hours, wash your hair with your usual shampoo and conditioner and you will instantly find your hair to be more soft and manageable. So that's all for today. In case you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye-bye.